Hi there, today I'm just doing a quick video on how to install these 9-inch LED light pods from Yitamotor. They also have available a installation kit which comes with a switch, I believe, in it and everything you need to install them. On this application I am installing them on my boat, so I've already ran my wires into the switches. The red goes to your power source. In this case for me it's on my switch, which has already been wired to 12 volt, and then the black wire here is put to a ground, either on the battery or the chassis of the vehicle that's grounded. And then after that you're going to want to put on the bracket for the light. There's two ways it can be installed. There's a bolt that comes pre-installed in here and can slide back and forth to allow you to mount it in different positions. And then depending on which way you put this bracket down, you can angle the light a little more. So I believe this way is to angle it up, and if you want to angle it down a little more, you're going to install it like this, because in this application I need it angled pretty much straight out. Just install your bolt. Let's put everything finger tight, and then I'm going to get it mounted on here, and I can adjust everything after it's been positioned kind of roughly where I'm going to want it. So I'm going to slide this all the way over. Actually, that is in the downward mounting position, so as you can see, if I put that in there, it's going to sit and be pointed down quite a bit more. And you just loosen the bolt on the back, and you can adjust it. That's at the lowest position, pointing down. And then there you can also mount it so it's just straight across. So everything's mounted there loosely. You can adjust it around to whatever position you actually want the light mounted in. In this case I'm kind of going offset to the one side. So I'm installing two lights on the front of this boat. Angle it roughly where I want it to point for now. Be a 1/2 inch wrench to tighten up the bolt. The other bolt for your bracket. Fine tune it and get it positioned where you want them, and also heat shrink these because it is on a marine application. I want to keep all the moisture out of there. And we'll just show you the lights on now. So that is the two lights on the front of the boat. That's a kind of late evening shot, and then I will come back in a little bit and show another shot of how they work in the dark. Alright, so we're back again to show you how the lights work in the evening here. Again, these are the 9-inch Yitamotor LED lights. So there you go, that's them on at night. They are quite bright, they seem to work pretty good. Light up everything over here. Alright, thanks for watching this video.